we're back at our Southie townhouse project for another update. Let's take a look at what's happening. On the outside, we finished up our siding with the brick at the ground level, and then 2 levels of Hardie Artisan Series siding, which will be painted. And then on the top level, we have a mixture of that Hardie siding as well as some vertical cedar. The decks are being finished up at the front of the building. We have a pre-finished bamboo decking. Also on the outside, we got our gas line finally, so now we'll be warm for the winter. Moving inside, we've got 3 different kinds of insulation. We've got spray foam, we've got rock wool for sound attenuation, and we also have some fiberglass bat between some of the floors for additional sound attenuation. Up next on the inside, board, plaster, and get ready for finish work. On the outside, painting the siding and getting our garage doors in. All right, thanks for checking in, everybody. We'll see you on the next update. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we really appreciate you following along.